The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. My books are in the bag. My books are in the bag. The cup is on the table. The cup is on the table. The bird is on the tree. The bird is on the tree. The ball is under the chair. The ball is under the chair. The dog sleeps under the bed. The dog sleeps under the bed. The boy is behind the door. The boy is behind the door. The car is behind the bus. The car is behind the bus. The teacher is in front of the class. The teacher is in front of the class. My school is near my house. My school is near my house. The park is near the market. The park is near the market. The ball is between the boxes. The ball is between the boxes. Ravi sits between Amit and Ria. Ravi sits between Amit and Ria. The lamp is beside the bed. The lamp is beside the bed. The boy sits beside his friend. The boy sits beside his friend. The fan is above my head. The fan is above my head. A bird flies above the tree. A bird flies above the tree. The shoes are below the chair. The shoes are below the chair.